I am supposed to share some thoughts on professional ethics. But prior to that, I would like to share some thoughts regarding our nation, our society. As a society, we were and we are the most civilized society in the entire world. Not today, but since long, since decades, since centuries, we are the most civilized society in the world. We are the society governed by the rule of law since last so many centuries. Initially, although we are at present have adopted a democratic setup, but democracy was and is in the blood of the all Bharatiya citizens. The king, who was supposed to rule the kingdom, was supposed to follow 5 duties. To punish the wickets, to honor and protect the good, to impartial towards the litigants, to enrich the treasury and to protect the kingdom. These 5 duties which were to be performed by the king clearly demonstrate that we were following the rule of law since last so many centuries. Now, as said by Sri Nitin sir, we are in the era of modern technology. Maybe by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we may adopt some advanced technology, sir. We may have some good things to come which we will have to adopt for the betterment of the society and betterment of the system. But the basic values will never change. Speaking truth was a good quality yesterday also, today also and tomorrow also. So also the ethics, professional ethics. We may adopt technology, we may adopt some more advanced technology, but the system won't work unless there is a human touch, unless the ethics are followed, unless the professional ethics are followed. What are the professional ethics? Which college, in which college the ethics are taught in the syllabus? But I think the ethics are to be learned and taught by generation to generation. One generation has to provide, has to teach the good things to the coming generation. So when we are ready to enter this noble profession, 4 or 5 things we should keep in our mind. We have some basic duties, friends. We have duty towards our own litigant. We have some duties towards the court. We have some duties towards the honorable judge or judges. We have duties towards the opposite side also, and we have duties towards the counsel for the opposite side. When we follow all these things, then we can say we are following the professional ethics, and by following this professional ethics, we are working for the betterment of the entire judicial system. Nowadays, when I go one bar or another bar, some senior lawyers complain that the present generation is not following the ethics. When any senior member of the bar comes, the junior don't give chair to him, or so many things. But I think we cannot blame the present generation for such behavior, for any such misbehavior. If anybody has to blame, then it is for the previous generation, who has not passed over the good behavior, good ethics, professional ethics to the next generation. So when you are going to enter the profession, this noble profession, be kind to your litigant, be kind to your opposite side, and be kind to judges also, so that as a system we can work together, we can work for the betterment of the society, we can work for the betterment of the last citizen of this society. So I welcome you all to this noble profession. And one last advice: don't try to be a corporate lawyer. Try to be a trial court lawyer. When you try to become a trial court lawyer, you will understand the pains of the last man of this society, and then only you can work for the betterment of this entire judicial system. Thank you all. Thank you organizers for inviting me. Like Bharat Pande sir, I am also coming from Nagpur. He has settled here. I am here just to visit this college and also the bar members of this South Goa and North Goa Bar Association. Thank you all. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.